How to share Google Map location on Android? Open the Google Maps app on your Android device and ensure you are logged into your Google account. Find the location you want to share by either searching for it in the search bar or tapping on your current location. Once the location is visible on the map, tap and hold on the spot to drop a pin. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a panel pop up with location details. Tap on it to expand the details. In this expanded view, look for the share option, tap on it, and you will see a menu displaying different sharing methods such as messaging apps, email, or social media platforms. Choose your preferred method for sharing. For example, if you were using WhatsApp, select the app, choose the contact, and send the link. The contact will receive a clickable link to the location you shared. If you are sharing your real time location, tap on your profile icon in the Google Maps. Go to location sharing and set the duration you would like to share. Then send the live tracking link using the app of your choice. That's it. You have successfully shared Google Maps location on Android.